What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the SneezerBros YouTube channel. So if you haven't already, please make sure you do smash the subscribe button on this channel if you're interested in sneezing videos, period, because, you know, that's what this channel is all about. Smash a like on this video right now and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload on the channel. Also, leave some sneezing video ideas down below if you would like to, just to help me out, make more sneeze videos, just make more content on the channel overall. So we can build the channel more and more, bigger and bigger, to make it decent amount so people enjoy watching my content. Also, I do have another channel if you'd like to support it. It's called Deep with the Vlogs at the bottom of the screen. Link will be in the description below because, you know, I gotta use my channels to build both of them at the same time. It helps me out. So just please go support me. It would be highly appreciated. But yeah, let's just get to today's topic. So today I'm doing let me explain this real good. So today I'm doing a sneeze where you hold a glass of water, kind of lean over, and you sneeze. And you get lower each time, but not too low where the water like pours out of the bottle. You'll understand when I go. So yeah, no more talking. Let's get right into the video. Smash a like and yeah, let's get started. So we just want to grab us a glass. Hopefully, I don't think I should use a glass because I don't want it to break. I'm just going to use one of these right here. And sorry, that camera angle was kind of off. We're going to fill this bottle up. Wow, that was a fail. Let's just fill that up real quick. Fill it up to the top. And yeah, let's go get this started.
6 hours later.
Alright, so we are out of my kitchen and I got the glass right here, so yeah, like I said for like the second time, let's find a good angle position for this. And I do not know a great angle position. This is gonna take a lot of thinking right here. I'm thinking it's a ladder, but oh great. Yeah, never mind. That's a horrible position. Right here probably work. No. We already spilled some. Now the horrible lighting. Alright, so I'm gonna come back here so you guys can see. And wow, let me go get something to sneeze with and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back with something to sneeze with. It's got a classic USA Gold No. 2 pencil. Easy as that. And yeah, no more talking, let's get right into it. Smash a like. Whoop, there goes that one. Whoa. Ew, that's disgusting. Final one. There you go. That was 10. And the remaining water left in this dang cup is literally like that much. And this is the amount of water I spilled. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you guys did enjoy. And this is this was an idea made by Caden Wolf, I think. Yeah, Caden Wolf or Mac Magnus, I don't even know. I have quite amount of people like suggest video ideas for me to do on this channel, so yeah, I don't even know who commented this video, but whoever you did, shout out to you and thank you for this video idea. I do appreciate the comments section, all the new ideas, so if you'd be kind, please give me another idea to do. It would be highly appreciated. But yeah, I think I got everything I wanted to cover in this video for the most part. If I didn't, I'll catch you in the next video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment more video ideas. And yeah, it's been the SneezerBros or Hunter David. Peace out, I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video.